Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is October 22nd, 2025, and we're diving into Hilton's third quarter earnings report. Joining us is John, a senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. Hilton's latest earnings report provides a comprehensive look at their performance and strategic initiatives, and I'm excited to break it down with you.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the financials. Hilton reported a total revenue of $3.12 billion for the third quarter. John, how does this compare to their profitability metrics?
Hilton's net income for the quarter was $421 million, and they achieved an adjusted EPS of $2.11, which beat the analyst forecast of $2.44. Their adjusted EBITDA also came in strong at $976 million, indicating solid profitability despite a slight decline in RevPAR.
That's impressive. Beating the EPS forecast is always a positive sign for investors. Development and strategic initiatives. Hilton seems to be making significant strides in development. Can you tell us more about their strategic initiatives this quarter?
Absolutely. Hilton approved 33,000 new rooms for development, bringing their pipeline to a record 550,400 rooms. They also launched a new lifestyle brand, the Outset collection by Hilton, and celebrated their 9,000th property milestone with the opening of the Signia by Hilton La Cantera Resort and Spa.
It sounds like Hilton is aggressively expanding its footprint. How does this impact their future growth prospects?
These initiatives position Hilton well for future growth, especially with their focus on luxury and lifestyle brands, which are seeing increased demand globally.
Market performance and shareholder returns. Hilton has been active in returning capital to shareholders. What can you tell us about their market performance and shareholder returns?
Hilton repurchased 2.8 million shares during the third quarter, contributing to a total capital return of $792 million for the quarter and $2.671 billion year-to-date. They also maintained a quarterly dividend of 5 cents per share, reflecting their commitment to rewarding shareholders.
That's a substantial return. How does this align with their overall financial strategy?
Hilton's strategy focuses on maintaining a strong balance sheet while providing consistent returns to shareholders, which is evident from their robust share repurchase program and steady dividend payouts.
Future outlook and CEO insights. Looking ahead, what is Hilton's outlook for the rest of the year, and what insights did CEO Christopher Nassetta share?
Hilton projects their full-year RevPAR to be flat to a 1% increase, with net income expected between $1.604 billion and $1.625 billion. CEO Christopher Nassetta expressed optimism about economic growth and travel demand, driven by favorable regulatory environments and investment cycles. He also highlighted their confidence in achieving net unit growth between 6.5% and 7.0%.
It seems like Hilton is well positioned for the future. Any final thoughts on their strategic direction?
Hilton's focus on expanding their brand presence and strategic investments in new developments should support their long-term growth and market leadership.